folks. I don't get hit by a truck here. Somebody doing a tug test. That's what it looks like. Tug test right there. Anyway, I just had some lunch. Sorry I'm looking the way I look. But I'm on the road, so I have an excuse to look this way. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's like 50-something degrees right now. Somewhere out in Arizona. And, yep, on the way to Cali. This is so gorgeous out, man. All right, coming from, somewhere where it's really cold. There's like plenty of snow up in New York. Happy not to be in New York right now. Anyways, I wish you could see the mountains, man. You should see, man, gorgeous mountains. Let me see if you can see them. Might not be able to. But they're there. Coming from one of these truck stops here. So, but yeah, look at these mountains. Look at this. See it? Really nice stuff. Really nice stuff. Truck I'm driving right now. So, Three points of contact. Oh. Getting old. Getting old. So what was I drinking on the road? I've been drinking Monster, and I had one of these drinks. It's called Naked. It's a protein smoothie. Protein blend with 5 juices and other natural flavors. No sugar added, but it was pretty sweet. I had apples, mango, pineapple, kiwi, banana, alfalfa, broccoli, spinach, barley grass, wheatgrass, ginger, parsley, and kale. That's what I had for the morning for breakfast. I'm drinking Monster to stay awake. Yep. So that's about it. I'm just checking in. Like I said, somewhere out in Arizona at the truck stop. Pretty much it. I'll be checking in pretty soon. Let you know my prime progress.